Hi, and congratulations on completing this section. We have now got our own server and deployed our API to it, and really that's approaching everything that you need to know about deploying and using and programming REST APIs. You are able now to create a REST API using Python, Flask, Flask RESTful, Flask JWT, and Flask SQL Alchemy. And you're also able to put it in Git for other people to see and contribute. And you're also able to use a SQL database, and of course to deploy it to either Heroku or your own server. All that's left is to create a web or a mobile app that uses your API. And the good thing is that all data that you store using your API will be accessible by both a web and a mobile app. And also it means that your web and your mobile apps don't have to do anything database related, which is usually very difficult to do from a web app and also quite challenging in a mobile app. So hopefully throughout the course you've learned a lot about REST APIs and how to create them, and I'm really excited to keep learning about REST APIs and Python programming with you. I'll see you in the very next section.